People think you need expensive software and a powerful PC to animate, but what if I told you that you can create stunning animations for free right from your phone? I've been animating for years without spending a dime, and today, I'll show you how using a simple but powerful app, FlipaClip. I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started and make your first animation. First, head to the Play Store and download FlipaClip. Once it's installed, open the app and tap the plus button to start a new animation. Give your project a name. Choose a canvas size. I recommend YouTube or TikTok formats. Set your frame rate, FPS, for beginners. 12 frames per second is a great starting point. Finally, tap Create Project to begin. Now that we have our project set up, let's look at the drawing tools. Pen tool is the main tool for sketching inline art. Eraser tool is used to fix mistakes. Lasso tool lets you move and adjust parts of your drawing. Fill tool quickly adds color to your shapes. Text tool is useful for adding dialogue or titles. A quick tip is to double tap the screen to undo an action. To keep your animation organized, layers are super important. In FlipaClip, you get 3 layers for free. Background layer is for your environment. Line art layer is for your main character or object. Effects layer is for extra details like shading or special effects. Need more layers? You can watch an ad to unlock additional ones. Animation is more than just drawing, sound brings it to life. Tap the audio button to record your voice or import music. You can do this for free by watching an ad. Use the frame viewer to organize and adjust your frames. The onion skin tool lets you see your previous frame as a ghost image, making smoother animations easier to create. Once you're happy with your animation, it's time to turn it into a video. Press the export button, the film icon. Choose your resolution and frame rate. Save it. FlipaClip is packed with everything an animator needs. It's like a dream come true. Now that you know the basics, it's time to start creating. If you have any questions about FlipaClip or animation in general, drop them in the comments because I reply to everyone. And if you want to take your animations to the next level, check out this video, point to a previous tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome animation tutorials.